Welcome to the Java class. In this video, I will discuss file input stream class. File input stream class is used to read the data or read the bytes from file. File input stream class is used to read the bytes from a file. It is used to byte oriented data. So it is used to reading the byte oriented data. Also you can read the character oriented data, but I recommend you people for character oriented data, for reading the character oriented data, you go for file reader class. I will discuss about the file reader class and file reader class in later sessions. So in this video I will discuss file input stream class. So file input stream class, it used to read the bytes from file, and it is used to read the byte oriented data and character oriented data. Okay, so how to declare the file input stream class? Let me show you. Okay, so a public access modifier, public class file input stream. Public class file input stream extends input input. So this is how to declare the file input stream class. Okay, so I will discuss some methods here. File input stream methods. I will discuss some common methods which are available in file input stream methods. Okay, so first method is that is int available. It is available. Will return int type of data, which will return int value. Okay, so it is used to return the estimated number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. So it is used to return estimated number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. Okay, so I will repeat once again. It is used to return the estimated number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. So this is called as input. This is the method. It is used to estimate the number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. So next is entry. It is used to read the byte of data from the input stream. So it is used to read the byte of data from the input stream. So read method is used to read the byte of data from the frame. Okay, you can say that from the input stream. So in simple way, you can say that it is used to read the byte of data from. Next is while close. It is to close the string. So it is used to close the string. Okay, so these are the common methods which are available in file methods. So this read method is very important. In example, I am implementing this read method. So read method is it is used to read the data, read the bytes of data from the input stream. So I will move to the notepad. So here I have file in last video I have showed you how to write the data into a file. Okay, so I have written a data that is welcome to KLBC any pani. I will show you that is it, right? So here the file name is text. The file contains the welcome to KLBC any pani. I have written the data that is welcome to KLBC any pani. So I want to read this data from the text file. So I want to read this. I want to read this welcome to KLBC any pani. So I will read this. I will read this content data in the form of bytes. Okay. So I will move to the notepad. I will just close this all content. Okay. So here I will create a class that is class file input. So here before creating class I will import a package that is java.io file input. So here I am importing a package that is Java. Here Java is the main package. Inside the main package we have a sub package that is IO, which is stands for input output, and inside our package there is one class that is file input stream. I am using this class. I am accessing this class. So I am importing the class here file input stream. So if you fail to import, then it will not. You need to import file input stream. Without any file input stream package, you can do anything. Because I am accessing my methods and variables of class file input stream. So I am importing this class. So I will declare it public. So file input class has one is one opening brace and one closing brace. So here inside the file input I will create a main method. So public static void string yes. So main method has one open brace and closing brace. Okay, public static void string yes. Next I will use the features of expression that is try, which contains the code, and catch, which handles the exception thrown by the catch block, which handles the exception thrown by the catch block. Here try block contains the code, and catch block it catches the exception thrown by the try block. So I will create the variable of file input stream file input stream that is fin. The variable name is here fin. So I will create the object of file input stream class. How to create the object? With help of the new keyword file input stream. Okay. So I want to read the data from the file that is test. So I will just pass file in here. So test. So my file is available in A drive. Just I will pass drive name and put a slash. Okay. So I want to read the data from byte of data from the text file. So I am just passing the name of the file. So my file is available in E drive. Just pass the drive name here. Okay. So I want to read the bytes of data from the text file. So just pass the name of the file here. Just pass the name of the file as a parameter to a file input stream class, file input stream constructor. Okay. So next I will create a variable of type int. I will create the variable of type int I. Okay. So I will read the byte one by one. So with help of the ready method, I have discussed ready method in presentation. You already seen that. So dot read method. Just I will call read method. So read method will call, read method will read the bytes from the test, bytes of data from the test, and it will calculate the it estimate the number of bytes, and it will store it into a. Suppose it read the 4 bytes, though 4 bytes, then 4 will be stored in I. Okay. So if it is read 1 bit, then I value will be the sum. If it reads 2 bytes, then I value will be 2. So here the read method is estimate the it is used to better the data from the input. Okay. So next is what I will do is I will print just system.out .println will just pass char. I will convert into a char. That is that. Okay, next what I will do is I will just close the file input. Okay, so with help of the read method, I am just reading the bytes from the text file. Okay, so the each byte the number of each byte number is stored into I. So I am just printing the I, the value. If suppose first it will read, will show you the, okay, so I will show through the comment line. So it will first byte is here, just imagine first byte is A, capital A. So here the ASCII code for the capital A is 65. So it is read the first byte, that is A, and it will convert into a ASCII value, so that is 65, and 65 will be stored in here I, because it will store 65 because it cannot read string value, that is A. Okay, so it will first convert the character into a ASCII value. The ASCII value for A is 65, then I will store 65. Okay, so here I is now 65, so again I am converting into a char. Okay, because I want to I didn't want to print 65, I want to print a character, just I am converting the 65 into a char, means the 65 means here character A, so it will print the character A. Okay, so I will closing I am just closing the file input string. In cache block I will just handle the error. Okay, so exception e system dot out dot println. So I will just print a message, file does not exist. Okay, system dot out println file does not exist. So here I am handling the expression thrown by the try block. I will just repeat the content 1 second. So here I am putting the package, that is Java. Inside of the main package, Java main package, I have a subpackage, that is IO. Inside of the IO subpackage, I have a class, that is file input. So I want to access the members and variables of file input. So I have created a class, that is file input, which is in public. Inside the file input, I have a main method, that is public static void main. I am passing string resized parameter. So inside the main method, I am using the expression handling features, that is try block and catch block. Try block is used to put the code, and catch block is used to handle the exception which is thrown by the try block. Okay, so here I have created the object of the class FileInput stream. I am passing a file name which I want to read the data from, read the bytes of data from the file. So I want to read the bytes of data from the file that is test.txt. I am just passing the name of the file here, which I want to read the data from the file. Okay, so I am reading the bytes of data through the read method. Okay, so first what will happen is it will read for example it will read A. Okay, so it will convert into SQL. The A value of SQL of A is here 65, so 65 will be stored in I. 65 will be stored in I. So here the I value is 65. Again I am converting into a character. So 65 means here A. So again it will convert into A, right? So next I am closing the input string with help of the close method. Okay, I am handling the expression with help of the catch block, that is system.out.println. If there is error in try block, then catch block will handle the error. So I will just pass here a message. Okay, so I will show the program. Go to file, click on save. So here my file name is my remember the class name and file name should be same. So here my class name is FileInput. So I will give FileInput. So all files, click on save. Okay, so now I will run the program. Go to command prompt. So my file is available in drive. So cd Java. Okay, so because my file is available in Java folder, so I am changing the directory to Java. So how to compile the program? Java C and file name is FileInput. Okay, so there is no error, successfully compiled. So I will run the Java file. Okay, if it runs successfully, then it will print success. If there is an error, it will show an error. Okay, successfully completed. I am just reading the data. Let me check. Here file I am passing is I am passing, that is text.txt. Let me check. It will read first W. Okay, so let me check the file, that is text. Just open that file. Okay, see here the first is W. I am reading the first character, that is W. That is, we can say that byte from file, that is W. Okay. So so this is how we can read the data or read the bytes of data from the file. So there is one important method in FileInput stream class, that is read, which is used to read the bytes of data from the file. So available, the file available, method available, it is to return estimated number of bytes that can be read from the input stream. Close method is used to close the input stream class. Okay, so this is the very important method, that is read, which is used to read the bytes of data from the file. Okay, I will repeat the definition for the FileInput stream. So Java FileInput stream class used to read the data or bytes of data from the file. It is used to read the byte oriented data. It is used to read byte oriented data as well as character oriented data. For character oriented data, I recommend you to use file reader class for read the character oriented data. So about the file reader and file writer I will discuss in later session. Okay, so this is the program how we can read the bytes of data from a file. Okay, so I will just open the program. Okay, Java. File. So this is the program, that is how to read the byte of data from the text file. So I have included your FileInput string class because I am accessing the all members and methods of the FileInput string class. So here this read method is available in FileInput string class. Okay, if you make it if I make it comment saying, it will give error. Let me check. Okay, I will just close command prompt. Let me check show the problem and wait. CD Java C input dot Java. So here you will get error. So that is FileInput string class. So it is necessary to import the FileInput string class which is available in IO package. Okay, because I am accessing the all members and all methods which are available in the FileInput string. So this is about the FileInput string. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.